everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shilpa. Now the exam dates for NIFT Masters of Fashion Management and entrance exam test for 2022 is already out, and I have been getting a lot of questions from a lot of aspiring students that where should we get our study material from, should we look for coaching or not, if we are looking for coaching, where should we take it from, and so many more questions. And on this video today, this is what exactly I'm gonna talk to you about. Now before we start, to all the viewers who are new to this channel, I make vlogs, lifestyle vlogs and informational videos about NIFT. I have listed down the playlists and videos that I have made in the past about NIFT and questions regarding it. So in case you have any questions, you can check those videos out. But if you have more questions, you can leave them down in the comment section below and I'd love to answer them in another video. Now on today's video, I am going to put you all at ease, whoever has asked me a question that where should we get our study material from or take the coaching for NIFT's entrance exam. And with that comes today's sponsors, Top Rankers. Top Rankers offers coaching in various areas like Legal Edge, Judiciary, Gold, Super Grads, and what all of you have been looking for is Creative Edge. They have various programs in which they take you through and train you for everything, literally everything, from GAT, which is the general ability test, till the studio test or GDNPI for Masters of Fashion Management. Now Creative Edge is nothing but a part of their course offering which trains and coaches students to appear in various creative entrance exams of various top colleges: NID, NIFT, UCEED, NATA and JEE Mains. Coming to NIFT's preparation with Creative Edge, they offer full-length coaching for these entrance exams completely online. They also have physical coaching centers which you can check them out in the link given below. Now let's come to NIFT Bachelor's program, for which the entrance exam is divided into two parts. The first one is general ability test, which has maths, GK, logical reasoning. And if you clear the first part, which is the general ability test, you are sent for the second round, which is the studio test or situation test. Second round, you have to create something with the materials given to you, something creative, something looks good, and that is something that I find extremely challenging. Being absolutely honest here, I remember I had applied for NIFT's bachelor's program when I think it was 2014, and I did good in general ability test considering my logical reasoning was quite good, but at the same time I struggled with the situation test because trust me, I had no clue about how to manage my time in that situation, how to use different materials, and basically how to channelize my creativity in those 2.5 hours given to you in the second round. And I think if any of the aspiring student thinks that they need extra help of extra coaching, I think they should go for it, considering for any examination you need to prepare well. And if you think you're lacking few qualities or some preparation at some point of time, you should totally take the coachings which are going to help you improve in these areas. The coaching will basically help you in training your mind and you as total to churn out the best out of your creative zone in that 2.5 hours, so you can qualify that round and get a better rank in the entrance exam. Now coming to NIFT's Masters of Fashion Management course. All of the videos that I have been asked this question, if we should take coaching or not, this is what I believe. If you think that you can qualify the entrance exam without any coaching, great for you. But if you think that you are lacking some qualities, let's say in general ability test, I was really not confident about general knowledge and mathematics, and I literally did not have any mock tests or any study material to to go through and prepare myself for those sections. I get so many comments on my NIFT related videos that we are not confident, we think our language is a little bit off, we don't know what to say in GD and PI, and I'm struggling a little bit with logical reasoning in the paper. I totally think that you should go for somebody who can train you, and with that comes Creative Edge. With Creative Edge you get a full length online class where they will take you through each and every aspect of the entrance exam. They will help you with time strategy, with what you can do with different materials, what you should use, what you shouldn't, what you should carry during the situation test. And I think that would have really helped me in case I would have taken coaching at that point of time. They give guidance for every part of the exam, be it the studio test in which you need to know how to strategize, how to make those particular figures, churn out your creativity, help you with a little bit of design basic. They also prepare you for portfolio making, having portfolio online classes. They give you mock tests using which you can prepare for your general ability test, which consists of mathematics, English classes, and then GK classes as well. They cover topics and give you assignments for all your GD and PI rounds so that you are well prepared when you're going for these rounds. And adding to that, they give you enough study materials so that you feel prepared at all times, no matter what comes in front of you and what sort of a question comes in front of you. So I hope this video actually helped you all if you were looking for coaching classes. And I think, considering because of the COVID scenario and constant changing COVID scenario, online coaching is something that a lot of you might be looking for, and you can literally be in a small town or in a major city and you can access these coaching classes online and you can prepare for your entrance exams. Creative Edge, you have the option to choose how many hours of class would you want to take. Would you want to take full length course which will cover A to Z of the entrance exam, or if you would like to take specific hours, and depending on that you will get your study material. So you can check out all these information in the link given down below. You can use this code which will give you an extra 10% off. So hope I covered a lot of your concerns here, and please comment below if you have more concerns or questions about NIFT entrance exam or NIFT college altogether. If you're a student, I would love to answer them in one of my videos. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and until the next video, bye.